Here's a striking development that could reshape the housing market. Mortgage rates have plunged to their lowest point in 3 years. This marks the third consecutive week of declines, signaling a significant shift that many homebuyers and industry experts have been eagerly watching. But here's where it gets controversial. While falling rates generally make homeownership more affordable, some argue this trend could also fuel housing market volatility or inflate prices further. What do you think? President Donald J. Trump has been vocal about his commitment to reducing financial burdens for Americans, and these recent drops in mortgage rates seem to reflect progress toward that goal. To put it simply, lower mortgage rates mean that borrowing money to buy a home becomes cheaper, which can open doors for many who previously found homeownership out of reach. According to a recent report from CNBC, the sharp decline in mortgage rates on Tuesday was largely driven by investors snapping up mortgage-backed securities ahead of an anticipated interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. This kind of investor behavior often signals confidence in the housing market and can lead to more favorable borrowing conditions for consumers. Specifically, the average interest rate on a 30-year fixed mortgage fell by 12 basis points from Monday, landing at 6.13%. To give some context, a basis point is 1/100th of a percentage point, so this drop is quite meaningful in the world of mortgage lending. This 6.13% rate is the lowest we've seen since late 2022, which could encourage more people to consider buying a home or refinancing existing loans. And this is the part most people miss. While lower rates can stimulate home buying, they also raise questions about the long-term impact on the housing market and the economy. Will this trend lead to a surge in demand that outpaces supply, driving prices even higher? Or could it help stabilize the market by making homes more accessible? These are important questions for potential buyers, sellers, and policymakers alike. What's your take on this? Do you believe falling mortgage rates are a boon for the average American? Or could there be hidden risks lurking beneath the surface? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.